Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will be breaking down what Power BI is, why it is important, and how can you get started in Power BI. So let's dive in. Power BI is a business intelligence tool from Microsoft which helps us in making reports, analyze data, making stunning dashboards, and which ultimately helps us in taking better business decisions. You can say Power BI is an advanced Excel but in a more effective way. So in short, you can say Power BI equals to data analysis plus dashboards plus automation. With Power BI, you can take data from multiple sources like Excel, CSV files, SQL Server, or even from cloud services like Google Analytics and make your stunning dashboards. Here comes our next question. Why is Power BI important? Power BI is one of the most in-demand skills in the job market today. You can see a lot of vacancies on LinkedIn and other job portals for Power BI, and a lot of companies in healthcare, e-commerce industries are using Power BI to take data-driven decisions. There is a study that is published on Microsoft website that around 321% growth is seen by customers in 3 years after applying Power BI in their enterprise. In less than 6 months, they got their money back that they have invested in Power BI, and around $38.48 million were the total benefit over the period of 3 years. And around 97% of Fortune 500 companies use Power BI. And the best part, learning Power BI can open up amazing job opportunities from data analyst roles to freelance projects and even consulting gigs. So here comes our next question, how Power BI works. So here are the 5 simple steps to make Power BI work. So first one is the prepare. We have to prepare the data according to our requirement. Then we have to analyze the data and see what are the anomalies and what are the different stats that we can't use or we can use to make our dashboard. Then we have to model it, like connecting all the data sources and tables to make a schema. The fourth step is a visualization. We have to visualize the data according to our requirement and according to the stakeholders requirement. And the third and the last step is manage, like how we want to distribute our dashboard and manage the semantic models in our workspace. Now we will see where you can use the Power BI in real life. So you can use Power BI in finance, like to track revenue, expenses, and profits. In sales reports, like monitoring the sales performance, trends, and customer behavior. In HR department, like analyzing the employee performance and their hiring trends. And the other use case is marketing, where you can measure your campaign performance and ROI. So now you know how to use Power BI and how it works. In my next video, I will show you how to install it and use it in your computer. So be sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. So if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and let me know in the comments in which industry you want to enter. So until then, goodbye and stay safe. Bye bye.